Hello, my lovely, smart, and intelligent learners. Today we'll be looking at mathematics. And guess what the topic is going to be today? Ratio. All right, what is ratio? I want you to focus on the following objective. At the end of the lesson, you should be able to explain the meaning of ratio, give examples of ratio, solve problems involving ratio. Ratio means comparing two quantities of the same units. Now, ratio is usually written with two dots between them, as you can see in A ratio B. So ratio is that two dots. Take note, when we say A ratio B, we also mean A divided by B. It's also written as A over B. So if I say 3 ratio 4, it means 3 divided by 4, which is the same thing as 3 over 4. Now, if I take the mixed number, two whole number, 3 over 4, you can change it to an improper fraction to be 11 over 4, which is the same thing as 11 ratio 4. Let's take a look at the first example. Express 35 to 490 as ratio in its simplest form. So we have 35 to 490, and that means 35 ratio 490, and which will give you 35 over 490. Now, if you use 7 to divide the numerator and the denominator, so 7 cut 35, you have 5, because 5 times 7 is 35. 7 cut 49, you have 7. So 490, you have 70. So now we have 5 over 70. We use 5 again. 5 cut the numerator and the denominator. 5 into 5 is 1. And 5 into 70 is 14. And so 1 over 14 is the same thing as 1 ratio 14. Let's look at another example. Express 4 months to 1 year as ratio in its simplest form. You will notice that 4 months can also be taken to 1 year, such that 1 year is written in months. So we have 4 months to 1 year equals to 4 months to 12 months. 12 months make 1 year. So if we say 2 years, it's going to be 2 times 12. That will give you 24 months. If we say 3 years, it's going to give you 3 times 12, which will give you 36 years. So 4 ratio 12 months will give you 4 over 12. Notice the months are out now because we have month and month. So it becomes 4 over 12. 4 into 4 is 1, and 4 into 12 is 3. And so our answer is 1 ratio 3. Let's look for further examples. Express 2 whole number 2 over 5 to 3 whole number 3 over 5 as ratio in its simplest form. We have 2 whole number 2 over 5 will be equal to 12 over 5 in improper fraction, ratio 18 over 5. So 2 over 5 is the same thing as 12 over 5, and 3 over 5 will give you 18 over 5. And so the ratio turns to divide there. So 12 over 5 divided by 18 over 5, which will be times 5 over 18. You take the reciprocal. 5 will cut 5 as used with the green lines. And then, of course, 6 into 12 is 2, and 6 into 18 is 3. So we have 2 ratio 3. Let's look at another example again. Express 15 to 6.25 as ratio in their simplest form. And so we say 15 ratio 6.25. Don't forget 6.25 is in 2 decimal places. And so to get rid of 2 decimal places, you multiply by 100. So that 15 times 100 divided by 625. So our 0.25 becomes 625 straight off. So we multiplied by 100, 2 decimal places. So we have 1500 or 1500 over 625. You can use 5 to cut 15. 5 into 15 is 3, and so 5 into 1500 will give you 300. And 5 into 6 is 1, 5 into 12 will be 2, and into 5 is 5. So 5 into 625 will give you 125. You can use long division to divide that. Okay, 25 can go. 25 into 125 is 5. And 25 into 30 is 1 remainder 5. 5 into 50, 25 into 50 will give you 2. So 25 into 300 is 12. And 25 into 125 is 5. And so our answer is 12:5. Okay, let's take a look at this exercise. You can pause your video now and make sure you do the exercise. Don't forget to write all the examples and the meaning and notes that have been given unto you. Okay, and do the exercise here and send to my WhatsApp number 09098932234. Thank you so much for listening. Bye.